So, wanted to share. First of all, I wanted y'all to see this beautiful, look at this resort. Look at this beautiful resort we are at. Don't ask me what it is. Okay, so what happened was I was walking across the bridge and this couple was coming and I got shy and nervous, so I put the phone down. But anyway, as I was saying, well now I got my security blanket here. I have my cousin, and then I have my sister, and then I have baby cousin. But I was gonna talk about just how kind of amazing it was, just like how the dates worked out, like with the weather and stuff. Because when we went to Universal, it rained like for like what, 3 hours, 4 hours?
Yeah.
And had we known that it was gonna rain, we probably would have like switched the dates or something, or not wanted to go or whatever. But the fact that we went there, we stayed, we stuck it out, and then by the time the rain cleared up, I'll say a lot of the people were gone. So we were just like walking onto the rides like we were the only people there, which was pretty dope. Pretty crazy that worked out that way. Like we were literally just going in the little loop-de-loo and then boom, getting on the roller coaster. So it was just kind of crazy because today was a beautiful, hot day. And it would have been a day, it would have been a day that, like, had I not known any better, I would have preferred today on the park days, but it would have been too hot. And I was like, this is perfect to get in the water and get a tan and get, hopefully not burnt. So anyway, it just made me think about, y'all ain't paying me no attention. I hope she's still in the show, as she should. But it just speaks to trusting the process and kind of sticking things out too, because I didn't tell y'all, but I had a moment where I was just like, shouldn't we just go home? But I didn't say nothing. But I was just like, no, we can't go home. But I'm glad that we stuck it out. We didn't go home like a lot of people did, and we were, I felt like we had to express. Yeah.
Just keep swimming.
Yes.
That part. Just keep swimming. Anyway, I just thought it was dope. Yay. Had to share it with y'all. What you think, Aaliyah? Yay! You think it's dope? You think it's dope? Did you have a good time, Mama?
Yes.
Yeah. Do it. I see what you did there.
Do it scared.
Do it scared.
Yes.
Do it scared. Well, yeah. I about to say do it soaked, but
Do it soaked and scared.
we gotta be careful with that. Anyway, as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired. Look at the cute baby. Stay inspired. What's the word? Stay inspired. Stay encouraged, or whatever. We all know cute baby. Stay beautiful. Peace. Say bye, Mama.
Say bye.
Aaliyah, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Or just be cute. That works too. Bye, y'all.